Duduzane Zuma case to resume in May. Johannesburg. Duduzane Zuma will be back at the Randburg Magistrates Court on 15 May for the resumption of his culpable homicide trial. This comes after his application to have the case struck off the roll was denied on Friday. Zuma initially faced 2 charges of culpable homicide and a count of negligent driving relating to a car crash on the M1 highway on the 1st of February 2014. One of the charges of culpable homicide was withdrawn. The defense argued the witnesses for the state would not be able to give information about how the collision occurred. The court decided to proceed with the trial. The NPA says they're pleased with the court's decision.
Yeah.